There's Spirit and his new girlfriend. Oh my god, this is just amazing.
Less than 12 hours.
Yep. So he's training him to follow then, right?
Yep. No, he's letting him follow her because he knows he'll follow her.
No, I know, that's what I mean. He's training him to follow.
Yeah. Kingston went to get his pants changed. Went with Kingston and Missy.
Look at him. Oh my god, look at Spirit go.
Oh. Go ahead, Matt. Go to the end. Yeah, go to the end. Stand at the end. Stay over there. Right there.
Good boy, Spirit.
Oh! Back. 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 Back up. Back up. Back up. Come on. Give me the pressure. Release. Come on. Do it. You can do it. I don't want that. That's not what I want. That's not what I want, Spirit. Spirit. That's not what I want. Straighten your head. You can do it. Come on. I know you can. Do it. Good boy. We did one step. That's good enough for me. Ready? Set. Get. Go get it. Come on. Come on. Get up. Get up. Come here.
I'm amazed.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's better than Billy.
Really?
Or real damn close. You know? We're real damn close.
Wow.
Go? Yeah.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
No. His mom's not here.
Take it up a notch.
Matt's having a good time too.
Yep.
What happened?
She wants to buck him. She's tucking her head under to buck him.
Why? She don't like him? Oh, poor Spirit.
No, not that she don't like Spirit.
Well, maybe you should. You got something wrong there with the safety button?